Hello everyone, I'm Yang Xuechen, a Huawei engineer. Today I'm going to introduce two capabilities of Huawei's data center network controller, iMaster NCE-Fabric MDC. Network via topology restoration and visualization, as well as server access topology visualization. Now, let's look at the network via topology restoration and visualization capability. First, log into the MDC and find two managed controllers on the multi-cloud access page. To do this, choose Multi-Cloud Access, Resource Management, Domain Controller, and check the global network through the MDC. Now we can see the two controllers AC2 and DC1. Next, select a region type and check the DC information in regions of the selected type. You can do this as follows. Return to the home page, click Digital Map, choose Data Asset Management, and select the region type. For example, select Service Resources and check DC information in each service resource region. You can also search by manually entering a region name. Return to the digital map page. Select the DC to be viewed, for example, NJDC, and check the topology of the DC. Then click the first icon in the upper left corner, click Select Region, select NJ Business, and check the topology of the DC. After that, double-click a device icon in the topology. We can see the device information, including the device name, model, address, role, and configuration information. Next, let's look at the second capability, Server Access Topology Visualization. First, click the icon of the server connected to an access switch. We can see the server's information, including the server model, CPU, memory, operating system, and equipment room. Then choose Data Asset Management, Link Management. We can find information about devices and ports at both ends of a link. Just like that, with iMaster NCE-Fabric MDC, we can easily implement network-wide topology restoration and visualization, as well as server access topology visualization. Okay, that is all for this episode of Test It, Believe It. Thank you.